How you doing, buddy?
So we are on our way to Georgia to pick up our toy hauler trailer. That was a plan of ours for years. We've been trying to find the right time to get a toy hauler for the motorcycle so we may be able to escape New York winters for a while in years to come. We found a very good deal in Georgia and it was worth it to take the drive. So we are taking advantage of the winter break and taking Vince along with us on a family road trip, part of BRAMMOTO life and style.
And this is part of the life, huh?
Part of life.
The road trip?
Yes, road tripping.
And this will also give us a good chance to see how the trailer is going to tow on a longer trip. It's about 1,200 miles total. Granted, the trailer is going to be empty, but it should give us a good idea of what it's going to be like doing a road trip with the trailer.
We are very excited for this trailer.
Good thing we're not in that side, huh? There was an accident up ahead. Traffic's backed up for a couple miles.
Little man is a trooper. Teaching him.
Heck, road trips, when I was a kid his age, we'd already driven all the way across country a couple
lane
times.
to take exit
Right?
81 to merge onto
I
I-77
didn't.
south towards Charlotte, North Carolina.
Starbucking guys! Sun, road tripping
Oh.
when it's blue skies and sunny.
And not one of those storms they give names to.
Yes, don't like storms with names. Do you? Don't you have like a feeling that every time a storm is named, it's really gonna be bad? Like 10 hours?
For today,
Yes.
left the hotel at 6 a.m. So we're on hour number 10 right now.
Vince back there is a trooper. He's doing a great job, and we're almost to the trailer place. Hopefully they will wait for us because the place closed at 5 and it's supposed to get there just a little after 5.
The GPS says 5:02.
We are trying to, the scenario here is completely different from New York, of course. The scenario, the scenery is completely different. There's some swamps and some trees. Very interesting. Oh, we are here. We just got here, Vince. Finally, a long trip. Yes, and now we're gonna get our trailer. One of these ones is ours. We'll see. So what do you think?
It's a beautiful trailer. Let's go take a look.
And this is why we came all the way to Georgia to pick up our new trailer, a BRAMMOTO trailer. There's gonna be so much stuff going on in here. We are very excited for this project. So we also, this is from, we super recommend, guys. Great people. We are having an absolutely wonderful service so far. Day is almost over. We are here with the trailer. Barrett's fixing up some things. What I have to say is, what a day. We've been out on the road since 6 in the morning. We drove through a winter storm. We drove through snow plows, and we drove through snow and rain and cold, and now we are in Georgia and the weather here is beautiful, blue sky. We all lost some of our layers already. We're tired, but we're very happy. So keep up with us and follow the rest of our adventure, the first big BRAMMOTO family trip.
All right, we're all locked up. Let's get it to New York. Let's go.
In the snow.
Oh, yes.
Good morning, world. Today I'm turning 41 and we are hitting the road again for the second part of our journey. We are heading home with our beauty and we are in Georgia right now. Vince, again, being a super trooper, say hello to the peoples.
Hello.
And I'm gonna do first shift of driving with this trailer. Never towed anything before, so very excited. So passing over here and bye.
We'll walk around, make sure we're good. Okay, just be mindful of your, let me get the GPS set up for us. Be mindful of your surroundings. Don't forget, the trailer is sticking way out behind us.
Okay.
So take your turns nice and wide, because the trailer is gonna, if you make this track like this, the trailer makes a tighter track behind you.
Okay.
So like if you want to get around this truck, you want to do nice wide sweeping turns around stuff.
See? Okay.
Reporting route to Teresa. Proceed to Jimmy Dias Parkway, then turn right. Turn right onto Jimmy Dias
Yeah,
Parkway.
it does. We have
So
to.
just back up. Nice and regular. Nope, nope, crank it this way. Crank
Where?
it that way. More. Straighten up the trailer. Okay, go ahead. Well, I hope it doesn't make you do a U-turn. It's gonna make you do a U-turn.
We'll find
Figure it out.
a light for U-turning.
Make a U-turn at Ridge Point Drive, then turn right to merge onto I-20 East.
Just pull right here. You can do it right here. And as soon as this white car goes by, do it.
Okay.
There you go.
Continue straight, then use the right lane to merge onto I-20 East.
So far, so good. I just gotta get used to the towing. Once we get up to speed, I need to see what's gonna happen.
And 70 felt a little bit much last night. So
70,
between
okay.
65 and 70 is going to be your sweet spot.
Merge onto I-20 East.
And just take it nice and slow. There's
You know, having a wireless camera in the back of the trailer wouldn't be a bad idea.
yeah, it'll help.
The ones we can clip in here,
Because
Then
at
we
least
can
that
just
way you
see
know, okay, I'm
what-
past the car.
yes.
There's a
and-
car behind
Or
us.
there's a car behind us, because you really can't see if there's a
You
car
can't tell at
behind.
all. Red one, gray one, or red.
Yeah, you know what
Sounds
I
like you
meant.
really want red.
I want a red car since my first car. But I always think of how long am I gonna have this car? Will the red color be a good color? What's the depreciation of the car color? So you have to remember that in Brazil, you pay extra for car color. In Brazil, guys, you pay extra for everything in your car. Standard car there is a standard with a stick shift, no power wheel driving,
No power steering.
no power steering,
No power brakes. Probably no power windows. I
no
don't
power
think there's
windows.
that. We will not be driving downstairs.
We're getting a cool hotel tonight, right, Vince? Because you and I are taking a,
Birthday swim.
and even though the water will be cold, I'm going in with you today. We're just about to start our last stretch of this trip. It's been a success.
Yeah, been
We're
long.
very happy. And it's been an amazing time with the boys. A good birthday celebration.
Home stretch now. We're probably less than 2 hours from home now. towing the trailer back up from Georgia. I don't know if you can see it back there. And now the big question is, how are you doing towing the trailer?
I think okay.
Yeah.
It's different to tow, but it's a good experience. It's giving me all this drive. It's giving me a lot of learning. So I'll be confident to do it by myself if you're not with me.
Ooh, nice. Hear that? All by herself.
It's gonna be a multi-purpose trailer.
That's right, it's gonna hold bikes. We'll probably do some camping out of it. Some other secret things that we'll reveal in the future.